My first coffee order. So today was my first morning in this English speaking country. I thought, okay, I need to start the day like a local, with coffee. I walked into a cafe feeling very confident. I stood in line practicing in my head. Small coffee, please. Small coffee, please. Small coffee, please. Finally, it was my turn. The barista smiled and said, Hi, what can I get for you? I proudly said, Small coffee, please. But the barista looked confused. She pointed to the menu and said, Do you mean tall, grande, or venti? Wait, what? Tall? Grande? Venti? I only wanted small. Why are they speaking Italian now? I panicked, so I just said, yes. She asked again, Yes. Which one? I had no idea, so I repeated louder, like that would help. Small coffee, please. Everyone in the cafe started looking at me. The barista tried not to laugh. Finally, she just gave me the biggest cup of coffee I have ever seen in my life. It was bigger than my head. I walked out with my giant coffee and thought, okay, lesson learned. In this country, small is called tall, and grande is medium, and venti, well, venti is for people who want coffee for the whole village. Next time, I'll just say tall coffee, please. So yeah, I survived my first coffee order. What about you? Have you ever made a funny mistake in English? Tell me in the comments. I might turn it into the next story.